Welcome back to the channel, boys. Today I filmed my mother tractor cutting my bangs, and I asked her so many times to watch a video, and she was like, no, I'm not gonna watch a video. If I'm gonna watch a video, then we're gonna go pay someone $15 to do it. And I was like, no, just cut them. And so now we have this. I forgot to mention that, like, the entire clip has a Hallmark movie in the background. Like, the entire time. Do I look good? New bangs, new me. You know what? That's what I always say. Come, let's go on this journey together. Into my toes, man.
I'm not looking.
I'm not talking to you.
Why are you getting all scared?
Because you're cutting my hair and you refuse to watch a video on learning how to do it.
Okay, you ready?
I'm horrified. All right, let's go.
Are you sure?
Yep, just do it before I can say no. Cut too long first.
Are you sure you don't want me to pay $15
Yes.
to have a professional?
Mama, that's real short. Cut down further so you can, like, trim it up.
Honey, how do you want your bangs down to
Yeah,
there?
at first, because you don't know how to cut bangs. Oh, you cut my nose.
$15.
Go,
I will pay
go,
it.
go. Ew. All right.
See, look, if you just do like that.
Mama, I'm not emo.
Sit up.
Oh my God.
Do you see? This is an $11 piece of meat.
Yummy.
She's recording you talking about your meat. Quit doing that.
Is she talking to somebody, or
No,
are you recording
I'm
it?
recording it.
Is that going to make it to your
The channel.
podcast,
My podcast.
your YouTube?
Yes. They're mad short, man.
Huh?
They're mad short.
Please stop making them part down the middle like that. It's not. You're going to have to make a conscious effort to not.
This is gonna be in our Christmas photos.
Don't hurt it.
I was recording didn't pick up any audio, so I'm just gonna do theirs. Oh my God, Emma! Emma! They're so cute. Yeah, you're twinning with Weenie. Okay, then I called my friend at his, like, theater practice, because two of my friends were there, and he was like, oh, Emma, they look so good. I was like, thank you. And then I don't really know what all happened. And then he, like, went walking, trying to find our friend for, like, a minute. Okay, then he found her, and she was like, oh, Emma, they look so good. I got all positive comments so far.